Today, I want to make a logo of Mr. Zorek's request from CANVOO audience. Only using Canva Android, the results are like this. What is the process like? Let's see the video to the end.
CANVOO.
Previously, I apologize if any of you were waiting a long time for the latest video from CANVOO. Due to various activities, today can only upload videos again. Let's go straight to the tutorial. First, open the logo size design canvas. Next, go to elements and grab the square shape. Change the canvas color to black so that the logo will contrast. Then, we can change the color of the square to vivid green with color code number 63F614. Okay, next, resize the square to 180 by 280 pixels. Then, place it in the center like this. Then we zoom the screen to make designing it easier. This square serves as the overall size of the logo. Next step, duplicate the square in half. Place it so that it is flush with the square behind it. Then reduce the height by this much. Then change the color to gray. Duplicate the gray square twice and then place it like the example. Next, select all three and choose Group to Merge. Pull up like this to get 3 equal squares. When it's like this, select Ungroup. We will shape these 3 squares into the M, Z, and X logos. Since the elements we are going to use are these 3 squares, we can remove the green square at the back. Before we start designing the logo one by one, change the color of all these squares to vivid green. Then we need to create a dividing line for the 3 monograms. Okay, now let's make the first monogram logo, which is the letter M. To make it, make a rectangle with a size of 1/3 of the square we have made. We can make it in the center so that we can use it later for the second monogram logo. If we have divided it into 3, we can take one to be placed vertically like this. For this one, we can slide it up so that the center is empty. We can delete the back one. Then we can change the color back to green. Including this vertical square, we change the color to green. Drag the top so that it is flush with the square behind it. Next, duplicate it and place it on the right. Again, duplicate it and now place it at the top horizontally. Adjusting its length. If so, we can remove the square behind it. Now, go to the element and grab the triangle shape. Adjust its size and place it upside down here. Make sure it is precisely centered. Duplicate the triangle and change its color to black. Then we place it at the top like this. Let's move on to the second monogram, which is the letter Z. Duplicate this rectangle. Then we can adjust the width by measuring it like this to make it proportional. Place it in the center here with an adjusted slope. Make sure the position is as precise as possible. Well, this is enough. Moving on to the last monogram, which is the letter X. We duplicate this rectangle. I used a 40-degree slope to create the rectangle on the X monogram. Make sure the top and bottom edges are precise with the square behind it. If so, we can duplicate this. Then place it upside down on the left so that it crosses to form the letter X. For the bottom part that is not used, we can close it like this. While to flatten the top, we can adjust the position of this black line layer so that it rises upwards like this. To make this logo more unique, we can modify the letter X in this way. And finally, to add the impression that this logo is like a robot and suitable for a gaming logo, we can add an eye icon like this to the M monogram. Do the same on the left side. You can also add text to the logo. As requested, this logo is designed with the name Mr. Zorex, a request from the viewers of this channel. To match the theme of gaming and technology, we can use a contemporary and techie font like Orbit. Well, this is more or less how it turned out. What do you think? Don't forget to give your assessment in the comments column. Oh yeah, for those of you who don't know how to convert PNG logo design results in Canva into vectors, please watch this video. Hope it's useful, and see you in the next video.